just waking up. The wind was absolutely incredible. Thought it was gonna take our tent out.
Well, it kind of did at first.
What a scary fucking night. There's the creek. That sounds like whitewater rapids. And the wind was blowing. And then it was howling. You could hear it a mile away, and it just kept coming and coming and fucking coming. And next thing you know, boom, hits the fucking tent. Scary shit. So we don't know if we're gonna stay another night. We're gonna check the weather, and if it's not too bad, we'll stay, but there's a very good chance that we're gonna get the fuck out of here today.
Yeah.
Should I stay or should we go now? Should I stay or should we go? She loves Halloween, and you dropped it.
Taken. Happy Halloween from my feet. I'm not allowed to have
Oh, you can have it. It's okay.
It's okay. It's Arabella.
It's Arabella, baby, that can't have it.
Arabella.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
You too. Y'all be safe. I love it.